Let's see how you can get information from a cloud model without opening the file. We can do that with the GraphQL API. And yes, GraphQL API sounds a little scary at first, but the basic idea is actually quite simple. You ask for the information you need, and you get back only that information. Today, we're going to try a tool that gives you a simple way to work with your models and learn GraphQL at the same time. Be aware, it's a limited time deal. Within August and maybe September, you can try this tool online. After, you can make it yourself. The link to the source code is in the description. But no worries, it's enough of time for you to understand the logic. The interface may remind you of Dynamo, but honestly, it's much easier to get started. Let's begin with a basic navigation flow. You can now move through your Autodesk former. Choose a hub, open a project, find a folder or folders, and select the model or models you want to work with. And check the geometry directly in your browser. You can also create a data exchange from that view. This will give us more access to the information. Connect it to Create Exchange, choose the folder where it should be saved, and run the workflow. And you're not limited to one. Select several views, and the same workflow can create several data exchanges in a single run. If you hear about Data Exchange for the first time, I encourage you to visit Autodesk Data Exchange help page. I think you will love it. And finally, look, this is why this webpage is very useful for learning. Every node represents a real GraphQL operation. You don't need to understand everything before you begin. Just build the workflow visually, see the logic, and check the code behind it. There is a button to save your workflow as C# code, so you can replicate created logic in your own automation tools. Soon we will post more materials on how to create them. Now, let's see how you can create a workflow. And enjoy the music.
Data Exchange. The models rich, the data's wide. No need to take the whole big ride. Data Exchange shows the way. One smart query saves the day. Rooms and walls, equipment too. Spaces, systems, pick your view. Only the fields that matter today. Nothing more gets in your way. Less to download, less to maintain. One simple query, maximum gain. Data Exchange, GraphQL API. Carry just what you want to see. Build it fast with clarity. Data Exchange, GraphQL API. Power every workflow right. Turning data into insights. Into insights. Connect your dashboards, drive reports. Feed the system that supports. From design to operations. Powering smart integrations. Automate what took all day. Let your business lead the way. One endpoint opens every door, giving every team much more. Write it once, let it grow. Simple queries steal the show. Data Exchange, GraphQL API. Carry just what you want to see. Build it fast with clarity. Data Exchange, GraphQL API. Power every workflow right. Turning data into insight. One endpoint, a connected view. Follow relationships, the data data comes through, lead a new exchange. Mutations make it real for my ID, the one automation built for every need. Data Exchange and GraphQL API, carry us what you want to see, building fast with clarity.
Want to know more? Find useful materials in the description. And happy querying!